Number 5. Rebound by number 6. Interina. Pass to number 0, Isaac. Balik ulit kay number 6, Interina. No good. Rebound by number 96. Pasa kay number 8, Montalvo. To number 5. Nakagawa ng bola. Interina lang. Good for 2. Number 8 nagbarawa ng bola. Naghanap ng mapasahan. Pass sa ilalim kay number 5. Yes. Number 0. Isaac. Diretso. Muntik nang maagawan. Nakuha ni number 29. Randy. Yes. 4-3. Number 8 to number 7, Vivo. Tumera ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Number 6 pasa kay Randy. 25 to 3, 29 to 24 to 0 for 3. Mangyari na skipod. Tago. Ay, nakagawan. Number 6 to number 24. Layup. Yes, good for 2. 6-3. Number 35. To number 8. Number 8. Naghanap ng pasahan. Pass to number 7. Number 7 sa ilalim. Kay number 5. Wala, binalik sa labas. Number 35 for 3. 3 points. 3 points by number 35. Number 6. Good for 2. Score 10-8. Number 8. Naghahanap ng mapasahan. Si number 35. Balik-balik sa gitna na number 8. Tumera. Score 10-all. Number 0 nagawan kay number 35. Dire-diretso. Who's for it? First team foul. First personal foul. Two free throws for number 35. Yes. 11-10. Okay naman.
Daghani bilik.
Dapat ipang-bilik na taan.
60.
Dapat ipang-bilik na taan.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Dali. Teka. Sorry. Number 6, Tumera, wala. Number 7, nagbawa ng bola. Diretso, pasa sa labas kay number 8, Faith, wala. Nagganap ng napasahan, diretso sa gitna, wala, naagawan. Number 24, solo. Wala. Number 35 to number 7 to number 5. Wala. Number 6. Tumera, no good. Number 8. Rebound by number 8. Nagbababa ng bola. Pass to number 5. Wala, ang lakas. Yes. 13-10 in favor of Vietnam Brothers. Pag magreklamo, automatic, palabas natin sa court. 8 seconds set clock. Enjoy lang po tayo. Rebound by number 96. Pag may manggugulo, sa sarili na bahala dyan. Number 7, wala. Rebound by number 5. Sa kanya rebound pa rin. Yes. 15-10 in favor of Vietnam Brothers. Remaining time 3 minutes 30 seconds. Number 0 pass to number 6 on the drive. Yes. 15-12. Second shot clock. Number 8 naghanap ng screen. Pasa sa ilalim to number 5. Number 5 to 96. Shot 17-12. Second shot clock. Pasa sa ilalim. Outside. Okay. Number 35.
Excuse me po.
10 seconds shot clock. Diretso. No good. Kanya pa rin rebound. Wala. Sabrap. Pasok. Okay. Number 0, pasa kay number 29, running for 3. Yes. Score 17-15. Number 8, Montalvo to number 35. 10 second shot clock. Number 5. Wala, na-rebound ni Ado. Time out. Back to the ball game. Remaining time sa ating first quarter, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 0, naghanap lang mapasahan. Naghanap ng screen, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 88. 88 to number 8. Number 8 to number 35. Diretso. Wala. Rebound by number 16. Oh, number 29. Score 19-18 in favor of Vietnam Brothers. Number 28 to number 35. 35. Naghanap ng mapasahan. 12 seconds shot clock. 10. 5 seconds shot clock. Montalvo for 3. No good. Rebound. Kanino? Number 35. Good. Diretso. 28 for 3 points. Number 0. Remaining time 18 seconds. Shot clock 14. 0 to seconds remaining time. 9, 5, 3 seconds. Wala. End of the first quarter. Wala. Wait pa. Number 3, pumasok na. Legend ng Wayok. Pinagwardiyahan. Number 6, 4-2. 22-20 in favor of Vietnam Brothers. Number 7 to number 4. Number 7 to Talan ng Tres. Binalik. Number 5. Wala. Makamit pa rin ang bola. Pass to number 28. 4-3. Number 7 with the rebound. Takbo Ford. Kengkiang. Kengkiang naman. Number 29. Yes. Tabla po tayo. Number 5 to number 7 Tumira ng Tres. Wala to number number 0. Isaac, ang bilis. Diretso. Who's forward? First team foul. 2 free throws for number 0. Yes. 23-22. Lamang po ang purple na isa. Number 88 Tumira ng Tres. Wala. Number 6 rebound. Pasa sa ilalim. Wala. Number 5. Naharas ni number 3. Number 5 to number 8. Falcon 4-2. No good. Rebound by 29. Number 6 Interina. Pass to number 16. Substitution rep. Number 28 out. 9-16. Number 7. Number 7 first personal foul. Second team foul. Stop rep, stop. Pasok. Wala. Twenty-four, 22 in favor of Wayok. Number 4 to number 35. 35, dinaras ni number 3. Balik kay number 4. To 35 and 96. Pasok. Good na yan. Pagsisir din ang Tumira. Number 0. Was kay number 29, Randy. 10 seconds shot clock. First foul. Number 5 foul. Third team foul. Nagawan to number 88. Number 5 to 88. Yes. Foul number 3. First team foul. 1 free throw, 4 and 1 for number 88. 26-24 po ang ating score. Now good. Number 6. Diretso, nakagawa. Solong-solo si number 5. 28-24.
Stay low lang. Falcon. Baba konti.
12 second shot clock. Isaac, naghanap ng mapasahan. Who's forward? Warning for penalty and Vietnam Brothers. Pass to Randy. Nagawan. Sabrap. Who's foul? 29. First. 29, first personal foul. Okay. Second team foul for Wayok. Number 35. Hinaras ni number 3. Naghanap ng mapasahan. Muntik ng magawan. Pass to 96. 8 seconds shot clock. 5, 4. Number 35. Wala. Number 6. Very diretso. No good. Tuloy lang. Pag walang tawag ang referee, tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. Number 35. Wala pa rin. They found by Isaac. Number 0 to number 6. Interina. No good. Rebound by number 16 to Interina. Foul. Penalty. Sabrap. Substitution. Number 88. Number 88, third personal foul.
Sub.
Number 88, technical foul. Iwasan po natin na magmura o kaya magsabi ng masama or mga double mga unnecessary reaction po. Enjoy lang po sa laro. Technical free throw. Two free throws for number 16. Number 6. Number 6. Score 28-26 in favor of Vietnam Brothers. Number 35 to number 7. Number 3, ayan na. To number 24. Okay. Number 35. Very diretso. Yes. 30-26. Isaac, very diretso. Out of bounds. 12 second shot clock. Number 24 for 3. Wala. Basta pala. Wala pa rin. From number 7. Number 7 to number 75. Nagulat sa bola. Pass to number 28. So 75. 12 second shot clock. Pass to 96. Wala. Time out! Vietnam Brothers. Oh, Vietnam Brothers. Back to the ball game, back to the ball game. Vietnam Brothers, penalty na po kayo. Pass to number 28. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0 to number 6. Number 6, diretso sa gitna. Yes. 2 points for number 6. 30-28 in favor of Vietnam Brothers. Number 8, Montalvo. Pass to number 7 to number 5. Ang lobo ng tira. Number 0. Ang bilis. Pass to 24. Yes. Ang ganda. Pang showtime. Score. Tabla po tayo sa 30. 10 second shot clock. Number 35. 5 second shot clock. Number 8. No good. Rebound by number 6. Number 6. Diretso. Good for 2. 2 points for number 6. Lumamang na naman po ang Wayok. 32-30. Number 8. Yes. 2 points for number 8. Tabla po tayo sa 32. Number 24. Kung meron ng tres, wala. Nakuha ng rebound ni number 5. Diretso. Number 29. Ang taas ng rebound. Number 6. Yun, libre-libre. Ang ganda ng fake. 34-32 po tayo. Number 8. 10 second shot clock to number 35. 6 second shot clock. Number 35, diretso sa gitna. Wala. Rebound by number 35. Wala pa rin. 3 second shot clock. Yeah, tuloy-tuloy lang po. Tuloy-tuloy. Number 0, nagpapaba ng bola. Remaining time, 52 seconds na po tayo sa ating second quarter. First follow-up, number 5.
Nice goal, nice goal.
2 free throws for number 0. Number 5, personal. Ilang pa? Ayan, tik-tik-tikal ka ng referee dyan. Tinatawanan ka dito.
Hindi, prank ko yan.
After mo ba yan, Pastor?
Ikaw ang tinatawanan ko. Ikaw ang tinatawanan ko.
Wala, Pedro, pasok. Number 0, pangalawa. No. Score. 36-32. Remaining time, 42 seconds. Number 8 for 3. Yes. 35. 36-35. 30 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 24. 10 seconds shot clock to number 0. Pass to number 6. 5 seconds shot clock. Pasok. 38-35. 10 seconds. Number 8 to number 5. Number 5, diretso. No good. Rebound by number 24. Number 24. Tumira, wala. Rebound by number 16. Wala. Number 8 to 96. 4-2. Wala. Seconds shot clock. Number 3, Bulawin na yan na, Marangkada. Bang bang. 40-25. Home court niya yan eh. Home court by number 2. Number 3, yan na, nangaharas na naman. Oh. Foul by number 3. Sino? Yung may nga sing-sing po. Tanggalin kasi... No good. Number 6. Naghanap ng mapasan. Number 6 pa rin. Number 6. Diniretso sa gitna. Labas. So, number 24, 4-3. Yes. 43-35. Number 35, diretso sa gitna. Yes. 43-37. Number 3 to 24. Drive. Wala. Rebound. Pass to number 2, 4-3. Yes. Rumpot. 2 points. 46-39 in favor of purple. Number 3 yan. Huwag nyo bantayan yan kasi rumpot niya yan eh. 8 seconds shot clock. 5 to number 043. No good. What's for that?
Ginawa. Uy, kabangin po dyan. Ginawa.
6 minutes, 10 seconds shot clock. 8. 5 seconds shot clock. Tuloy lang po. Number 8, nagmamadali. Diretso. No good. Rebound by number 35. Good for 2. 46-41. Number 6 pasa sa ilalim kay number 16. Labas. Time out. Playoff. Number 8 to 88. Pass kay number 5. Yes. 43-46. Pasa sa galang kay number 16. No good. Rebound by 88. Pass to number 35. Ang lakas. Rebound by number 0 to number 6. Good for 2. 48-43. Sabrat for Denver. 12 second shot clock. Number 96. Wala. Sabrat substitution. Pasok. Number 0 na 12 seconds shot clock to number 6 sa gitna. Number 6 pa rin. Number 6 muntik nang magawan. 3 seconds shot clock. Tuloy. Pass to number 5. Wala, sa kanya pa rin. Ayun. Madulas yung bola. Number 16. No good. Number 29. Wala pa rin. Isa pa ulit. Drive for 2. Yes. Score 50-43 in favor of purple. Number 88. Wala. Number 16. Diretso, wala. Sa kanila pa rin. Ha? Wala na daw. Digo for 3, no good. Number 24, pasok kay number 0, Agawan. Number 35. Yes. 50-45. Number 6 to 24. Balik ulit kay number 6. 10 second shot clock to number 0. Wala. Number 7, diretso sa gitna, pasak kay 88, wala. Osvaldo. Number 6. First personal foul. Second team foul? Ha? Second team foul? Second team foul. Number 88, 2 free throw. Una, wala. Maya pag pumasok. Pangalawa, pasok. Sabrat. Score 50-46. Pass to 29 to number 0. 10 seconds shot clock to number 24. Meron ng 3, wala. Rebound by number 8. Yes. Score 50-48. Number 29, 2 points. 53-48. Number 8, tumira ng tres. Wala, rebound by Number 16, no good to Randy. Yes. Remaining time 44 seconds sa ating third quarter. Wala, rebound by wala pa rin. 20 seconds sa ating remaining time. Score 55-50. 18 seconds, 16. Last ball position. Score 55-50. In favor of purple. 8 seconds, 2 seconds. Counted. 57-50. po ang score. Number 0, naghanap ng pangalan to number 16. Number 16, naghanap ng 10 seconds shot clock. 8, 5, 3, nagawan. Number 5, diretso to number 35. Pasakay sa kalaban. Number 29. Pasag sa labas kay number 043, no good. Rebound by number 5. Number 5 to 88 to number 35. Who's fouled up? Number 6. Number 3. Number 3. Third personal foul. Two free throws. Score 57-50. Unang free throw pasok. 57-51. Number 35, second free throw, wala. First ball left. Kunin yung mula. Ayan, pinatay ko na. Lipo daw, ayaw pang tunay ng bula. Referee pa pinapakuha. Pinapakuha pa si ate ng bula.
Lista ka ulit, Paul! Tama! Hindi ka pa!
57-51 po ang ating score. Fourteen seconds shot clock. Number 8 to number 5. 10 seconds shot clock. To number 8. Tumira ng tres. Pasok. 57-54. Five seconds shot clock. 10, 7, 5 seconds shot clock. 3, 2. Shot clock. Shot clock violation. Eight minutes remaining time. Number 8 to number 5. 12 seconds shot clock. Number 5 diretso sa gitna. Ang lakas. Rebound by number 6. Number 6. Gay diretso. Pasok. 59-54. Patay na yan. Isa na yan. 59-56. Isaac, wala. Pass to number 8, yes. 59-58. 12 seconds shot clock. Wala, rebound, Randy. Pass to Isaac for 3, yes. 62-58. Number 8. Ayan na si number 3. Pass to number 5. Substitution rep. 10 second shot clock. Eight seconds shot clock. 62-61. 3 points by number 7. 10 seconds shot clock. 8, 5, and 1. 63-62. Lumamang na po. Number 4, foul. 24, foul. Time out. Wayok. Yeah, because this one is automatic when you shot the score, then automatic is red. And the other one inside okay, back to the building. 1 free throw for number 8. Score 63-62. Lumamang na po ang white. No. Yes. Score 64-62 in favor of Vietnam Brothers. Number 24, 12 seconds shot clock. Back to number 6. Wala. Number 35. 66-62. Number 29, rebound. Wala pa rin. Wala. Ito ba? 24, third personal foul, third team foul. Third personal foul, number 24. score 66-62. Seconds shot left. Number 0. Pass to number 29. 7 seconds. 5. Counted. 66-64. In favor of Vietnam Brothers. 12 seconds shot left. Number 5 to number 7 for 3. No good. Nagawan. Shot clock. 8 seconds. 8. 5. 3. Number 6. Ang ganda. Yes. 6. Oh, number tayo. Pass to number 5 to 35. Yes. 68. 68-66 in favor of white. Remaining time 4 minutes. Ang ganda ng laban. 10 seconds of left. 7. 5. Number 5. Yes, 70. 70-66. 15 seconds shot clock. 10. Number pass to number 6. Number 6, no good. Rebound. Good. First foul up. Number 5. Third personal. First team foul. Sabrap. Second shot clock. Number 6, sinaharas. Wala. Number 29, naagaw ni number 29, diretso. Time out, Vietnam Brothers. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 8, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by 96. Seconds shot clock. 13 seconds shot clock. Pasok. Remaining time 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Number 0, 10 seconds shot clock to number 24. 7 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock.
Bihira na sa Jollibee na ako.
Pass to number 29 sa lalang. 8 seconds. Eight seconds left. Wala. Number 5. Fourth personal foul. Second team foul. Second team foul. Score 72-66. 2 free throws for number 6. Pasok. 72-67. Remaining time 1 minute and 48 seconds. Yes. 72-68. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds shot clock. 10, 8. Pass to number 8. Wala. First foul. Number 24. Huh? Number 24. 24th personal foul. 14 fouls. Warning for penalty na po ang Wayok. 2 free throws for number 96. Wala. Remaining time 1 minute and 24 seconds. Pangalawang tira. Pasok. 73. 73-68. Number 6 to number 0. Foul. Number 25 foul. Third team foul. 1 minute and 11 seconds. Number 6, wala. Rebound. 1 minute, last 1 minute. Number 7-14, yes. Score 76-68. Last 14 seconds. Seconds attack. Number 6. 5 seconds to number 24. No good.
23 seconds.
Who's foul up? Number 5. Grab it. 76-68. Walo. Score 76-68. 2 free throws for number 0. Ano pagtama tayo? Lubat na. Pasok. 15 seconds remaining time. Panalo na yan.